What's up guys, today we are back with a new video, and in this video we will review the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. So let's dive quickly onto it. So here's the box. As you can see, the branding Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Let's quickly unbox it. So here we get the watch out here. We have the blue variant. Let's keep the watch aside. What else do we get in the box? We got some paperwork out there from Samsung. That's probably the user manual. Let's keep that aside. We get a box out here. There's probably nothing in the box because we have taken out the charging cable, and this is the charging cable which you get. It's a magnetic one. It's a magnetic charging cable, as you can see, and has a Type-C port on the other end to pop into your Samsung Type-C charger. Okay, let's get back to the watch. So here's the watch, as you can see. On the left side there are no buttons, but on the right we have two buttons. This is the back button down here, and the above is the home button. There's the back of the watch. All the sensors are housed here, and we got a very good quality strap. Ours one is a blue color. So let's turn on the watch. It turns on like a smartphone. The Samsung logo is there. Okay, regarding the pricing of the watch, I got this watch for 3,599 rupees, and also I took a 1-year protection which is available if you are buying it from any Reliance digital store, which costed me around 5,000 rupees. Though, so the entire price of the watch was 41,000 rupees. This is the 44mm variant. This is a Wi-Fi plus LTE variant, that is, you can pop into your eSIM on there out there and directly start calling from the watch. As you can see, this is the watch. We have already set up the watch yesterday. If you swipe on from the top, you'll get the quick settings. As you can see, the quick settings, you get your normal turn off settings, sound, do not disturb, flashlight, etc. There you can see the battery saver, the Wi-Fi. Let's turn on the Wi-Fi. It will directly get connected to your Wi-Fi. We have the battery saver out here, aeroplane mode, as you can see, Bluetooth mode, location access, etc., NFC, mobile data, touch protection. And if you want to change your watch faces, you can directly long click out here, and you can choose a variety of watch faces. There are millions of watch faces on the Samsung Galaxy wearable app. You type on the right, you get your usual settings out there. This is the Samsung Health. This is your different workout mode. There are tons of workout mode available, as you can see. Let's go back. This is your BMI, body mass data. See your sleep tracking. See, last night I slept 5 hours 22 minutes. My sleep score is 65. We get our usual weather out here. This is the calendar. This is our heart rate monitor, stress monitor, This is the step counter. As you can see, 6,072 steps I've walked today. Alarm, your usual calendar, your contacts, your music player, wall clock. You got tons of various apps and widgets. If you click on here, you will go to the home button. If you dive down there, we get to our usual home screen, honeycomb style. We get all our usual Google apps. We have our Play Store out here from where you can download apps because it is supported by the Google Wear OS. The watch comes with One UI 4.5 and Google Wear OS 3.5. It's loading out here, as you can see. Overall, it's a very good watch. I think our Wi-Fi connection is slow, that's why it is loading. Okay, let's go back to the home button. So you get your usual Bixby, weather, Play Store, etc. And you can download apps also. It has a 16 GB of internal memory and it also has 1.5 GB of RAM. So basically it's a premium ranged smartwatch by Samsung. It has all the facilities. We will dive into the in-depth review in a later video. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.